Practice makes you perfect. Please follow this small tagline and decide your future. Welcome to Hasna Spot Math. Let's spark our math skills together. Hello everyone, welcome to Grade 12 Advanced Mathematics. Let's quickly review on how to integrate using the fundamental theorem of calculus part 1. As you can use calculator, you can enter the given function as it is with the lower limit and the upper limit that results in your final answer. If you prefer manual method, first you are supposed to find the antiderivative of the given function and then don't forget to substitute your x values with your upper limit minus then with the lower limit. As you see in this question, you are supposed to integrate 2x minus 3. What will be the integration of 2x minus 3? Exactly, 2x square by 2 minus 3x. But don't forget, it's a definite integral. So what is your upper limit? 2. So first you substitute, replace your x with 2 minus, then replace with 0. It results you with a final value as negative 2. If you prefer calculator, you are supposed to enter integration. You can see over here integration, and you are supposed to enter the function over here, which is nothing but 2x minus 3. X you will get it from clicking on alpha and this button 2x, then minus 3. Don't forget to close the bracket, and your lower limit is nothing but 0, and you have your upper limit as your 2, and don't forget to press equal to sign, and you'll get your answer as negative 2. Please pause the video, work out this question and comment below whether you got the right answer or not. Here we go. X cube integration is nothing but x power 4 over 4 using power rule, then 2x square divided by 2. Now you can apply your upper limit then minus the lower limit, which is negative 1. Use your brackets properly and you get the answer as 0. So let's enter the integration. Our lower limit is negative 1 and our upper limit is positive 1, and let's start with a bracket alpha x cube plus 2 alpha x. Don't forget to close the bracket and see you got the answer as 0. Let's try out this question. Since you see as a rational function, let's see is there anything common with the denominator and the numerator. Yes, you can cancel the t after splitting the expression as t over t minus 3 over t dt. So t and t I cancel and I got 1 minus 3 by t dt. Don't forget it is minus 3 by t dt. So now when you integrate for 1 dt, you get t and minus 3. For dt by dt, we have len absolute value of t. And now let's substitute our upper limit and the lower limit. Upper limit is 4 and the lower limit is 1. Be careful to enter the absolute value, because in case if there was a negative limit, negative becomes positive. And so your final answer is negative 1.1589. Let's send the integral, and our lower limit is 1 and our upper limit is 4, and let's enter the fraction, and you have alpha x minus 3. Even if it is t, you will be having a default variable as x in the calculator over alpha x which is equal to negative 1.158883. You can round it off, negative 1.16 or negative 1.159. I have included a variety of questions. For more questions, please access textbook page number 366. You can simplify before you antiderivate. You have x root x. The power of x is 1. Root x can be written as x power 1 by 2. So when you club it, it's actually x power 3 over 2 plus 3 by x dx. Now when you antiderivate this particular function, you will get x power 5 by 2. How? Exactly, add 1 on the power. And the denominator is also 5 over 2 plus 3. Dx by x is nothing but len absolute x. Now when you flip 5 over 2 in the denominator, as it's a reciprocal, you'll be getting 2 over 5 x power 5 by 2. If you prefer, you can even write x power 5 by 2 as square root of x power 5. Later substitute your upper limit 4, then minus the lower limit 1. You get your final answer as 16.559. Please do try it out, and if you have any doubt, don't forget to comment below. Let's integrate. Our lower limit is nothing but 1 and our upper limit is 4, and let's enter the function. Don't forget to open the bracket. Alpha x square root of alpha x plus, it should be outside the square root, see? So don't do this mistake. So let's edit this, and don't forget to click this side arrow. So we'll start separately outside the square root plus, now 3 over alpha x. It's my humble request, you all should be familiarized with your calculator, how to enter the data, because entering the data is very, very important. And see, you got your answer 16.55888 or 16.56 or 16.559. Let's try out this question. If you notice here, you can see the denominator e power 3x. Let's split it with e power 2x and negative 2 e power 3x. And so we will be getting e power 2x minus 3x. Let's take it to the numerator. So 2x minus 3x is nothing but negative x. In the second half, you can cancel e power 3x, and so you get minus 2. So please practice well to simplify. First, when you club these both, you got 2x minus 3x, which is negative x. And second half, when you club the second terms, your e power 3x get cancelled and you got only negative 2. Now let's integrate. So e power negative x, it's nothing but negative e power negative x. And you get minus 2x. So your upper limit is 2 and your lower limit is 0. When you substitute carefully, you'll get this as your answer. Let's enter. Our lower limit is nothing but 0 and our upper limit is 2. And your function is a fraction with e power. So you can select shift this button. So you get e power 2 alpha x. Don't forget to click the side arrow. So you get here as negative 2 e power 3x. And your denominator is also the same, e power 3 alpha x. Don't forget to close the bracket outside. And so you got your answer, negative 3.135. Let's try out this question. You can merge t and t minus 2 to get t square minus 2t by opening the bracket. Then we can integrate. You'll be getting t cubed by 3 minus 2t square by 2. Substitute your upper limit 4 and your lower limit 0. And so you get your answer as 5.333. Let's integrate here. So when you enter the integral, you get integral lower limit which is 0 and your upper limit which is 4, and you get your expression. First let's put in bracket, then you have alpha x, then again on bracket alpha x minus 2. Don't forget to close 2 times the bracket. And so you got your answer. That's all for today. See you soon. Until then, keep revising, keep practicing. Wish you all the best. Bye-bye.